Hello friends, this is me Nishat. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Lots of friends have been asking me to make a video on how can they take care of their feet. So today I am finally going to tell you the easiest way to do pedicure at home with 4 things only. So first of all, we need a bucket full of tap water if warm water is not available. Then I'm adding shower gel in the water. If you don't have shower gel, then you can add shampoo. Both work like the same. It will help in getting rid of dirt easily. We also need a nail filer and a pair of tweezers. So I put my feet in the water for at least 15 minutes and relax. Make sure to wear a dirty pair of trousers while doing this because it can get a little messy. Now, I'm not a professional, but that's how I do my pedicure and it works for me. I think every one of you can do it at home with least amount of resources, especially in quarantine these days. After 15 minutes, my feet are quite soft now, so with the help of nail filer, I will gently remove dead skin from side of my nails. As I'm putting pointy tip of filer on my skin, this dead skin is coming off itself. Make sure to not to put very hard pressure on it because, it's not good. That's dead skin. Keep a tissue with you so you can wipe the filer on it while you're removing the dead skin. My tissue was out of the frame, unfortunately, but make sure you have it. I know the video is a little gross, but you guys called it upon yourself. So with one wet side of towel, I'm going to remove dead skin in circular motions. Make sure you are getting every little corner and space like I am doing it. To be honest, it feels so good and makes feet look so clean. Even though all of us are at home, but you still have to dress up, look better. I have never ever done things for other people to see. So if you're not dressing up because you are not going out, then it's wrong, girl. Try dressing up, looking better, and you will see the shift in your mood. You have to comment if you try this, okay? To be honest, I think we should stop doing things for people because, people are temporary in your life and the only constant person in your life is you yourself. So love yourself and do things for yourself. Do you agree with me? I'm doing same circular motions on my feet everywhere. Oh my god, it tickles. It tickles. Okay. Exfoliating in circular motion increases blood flow, removes the skin buildup easily, and detoxifies your body. Now, this might sound dirty, but play with your feet like this every now and then. Feet have pressure points of the entire body and it will rejuvenate your whole body. Circular motions, remember. Just be careful and don't put much pressure here because the skin is really soft hair, or what do you say? Sensitive hair, yeah. Now I am cleaning my toenails from every corner and side. This will prevent fungal infections and odor. Then I am going to clean everything with wet towel from every side for more cleaner appearance. Now I'm removing hair with tweezers and finally applying a moisturizer. This step is very important because due to exfoliation, my feet are dry, and after exfoliation, moisturizer penetrates really well into skin. Massage each finger separately and you will be in heaven like I am. Circular motions are the best. This feels really good. Trust me, just try this and you will know. Comment under if you try it because I really want to know. Did you notice that as I'm massaging my feet, it is glowing more and more? That's why I love massages. And I don't wait for people to come and give me massage. I give it to myself. Also, use your knuckles to press those pressure points and it feels very relaxing. Do it every night while you apply moisturizer. Like the massage, it feels so good. So finally, the pedicure is done and my feet look so better and glowing, isn't it? You know, once your feet are clean, you feel so good about yourself. And look, even after 8 hours, my feet are glowing. Bye-bye.